can't even see out your mirrors. Aye, why not? I've adjusted yours slightly. This is going to be interesting. Bloody hell. This feels completely different, mate. I know, mate, I feel like I'm bloody leaning over here. You've got a nice clutch on this, you know, right? Clutch is nice, isn't it? Oh, where's your back brake? I know, but it's... I've just found that out, mate. Handbrake on. Click your front brake, mate, and it'll see the H disappear. It must be because you're rolling back. There you go. See you, mate. Take a bit of getting used to him, mate. And do you know what you said to me when we got to Romania? Oh, Paul, they shouldn't have given you a BMW. You can't master a sat nav. Can't master handbrake. Bloody hell! This feels really weird, mate. I tell you. Well, folks, I'm on Ray's ZZR1200. I tell you what, it's a very comfy throttle, mate. Very smooth. You know, it's yeah. Don't know how he does a long trip on this, mind. You said he was going to say that, didn't you? You said that. I better catch him up, actually. Oh shit! Bloody hell! That goes a bit, doesn't it? It goes a bit, doesn't it? No. So yeah, ZZR1200. It's very comfy. To be fair, mate, actually, it's quite comfy, you know. Yeah. Yeah. Well, you can actually lift the screen up if you want, mate. Yeah, if you open it up, she does go, like, you know. I'm too frightened to open this up, mind, I'll be honest with you, but... What's up? Yeah. Ah, right. I'm going to see that on video then, aren't I? Yeah. Please don't pull out me, thank you, sir. That wouldn't have been good, would it? The back brake's really good. The front brake's fantastic on it, mate. So this is lovely and smooth, actually. I'm very surprised, Ray, how smooth this is. Yeah. No way, you're still getting used to it. I've not opened the throttle on yours, mate. Oh, you are 55, 60. Whee! If you're accelerating hard, mate, you don't need the clutch. Just click the gears up, and it's a quick shift thing on it, so it's like seamless. So, anyway, my thoughts on Ray's bike. Well, considering where he's been in it, I can't say anything other than I think it's a great little bike. Well, it's not little, is it? It's a 1200, but it's a great bike. I mean, when it rides, mate, she rides lovely. Yeah. You'll find the seat gets hard after a bit though, mate. Yeah. See, I thought you might suffer with your wrists because it's a different position. Yeah, well, I'm just thinking on that one because you're more straight up on that, aren't you? So what's your initial thoughts on it then, Ray? Do you? Do you want to buy it? No. Alright, mate, yeah. Where's your indicators? Here we go. Oh, there's that famous squeak. That'll do you, mate. Be careful of this side stand, mate, because you can catch the gears on it, you see. Yeah. Right, where's your neutral gone? Neutral. Yeah. Oh, that's quite a way over. We alright? I think when it's somebody else's bike, you're just a little bit nervous, aren't you? I take it you didn't open it up then? Yeah. Well, I was doing 60 behind you. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, yeah. Yeah.